So we're going to set the leveling now. So we basically have to make sure that the gap is consistent across the X and the Y, no matter where the head is on the bed. So to do that, we just bring the head down close, like really close. So now I've hit it, so that's too far. So I can go back up until it starts backing up. Okay, now let's lift it off the bed. And actually, let's move the camera so you can see this. So I think this is probably just going to be hard to see no matter what, but I'm going to raise it up and you can see like a gap, right? So if I slide it, the gap, so the gap on this side, let's zoom back out. There it is. So now there's no gap, but if I slide over here, there's a slight gap. So what I do is I adjust the motors so I can turn this guy here, and while holding the other one on the left to bring that level. So just turn that. So now it still touches on that side. So I'll raise it up more. So now that looks pretty good. The closer you can bring it to the bed, the better, because it's easier to tell the difference in the gap. So now I'm going to bring it down like a super small gap. So it looks like it's still a little too low. Okay, looking better. Bring it down a little more. Okay. Yep, that looks good. Now, maybe just a tiny bit more here. Okay. Okay. So now we do it with the Y. So let's see. Sometimes you get lucky and it's just level. It looks like it's really low. It's low in the front, so I need to raise the front up. So what I do is I add some business cards. So here's my business card, and I'm just gonna insert that in the front. It looks like it's gonna need about 2 business cards. No, looks like it needs a third. Raise it up just a little. Looks really good. So let's just double check everything. And it looks high on the right. Great. Still high on the right.
Okay. Looks good.